Learn TO Play. The Franklin Future Champs Kids Lacrosse Ball 3-pack is perfect for getting your little athletes involved in the sport of lacrosse for the first time. Soft construction. The soft rubber lacrosse ball is less hard and less heavy than a regulation lacrosse ball, allowing kids to master the fundamentals of throwing and catching before graduating to a more advanced set. Youth-sized, these 7 circumference balls are slightly smaller than regulation lacrosse balls to make throwing, catching, and handling easier for young players. Perfectly designed for first-time players for recreational, backyard play, the ultimate My First Lacrosse Ball set. Set includes vibrant color lacrosse balls and reusable drawstring mesh bag. Keep practice moving when you're equipped with the Franklin Sports Youth Lacrosse Balls 6-pack. Coaches and players know how frustrating it can be to chase down a ball on the practice field or hop over a fence in your backyard. It disrupts the natural flow of your practice or pickup game. So, stop wasting time and outfit your equipment garage or coaching bag with this 6-pack of mini lacrosse balls, designed for use ages 6 and up. 6-pack of mini lacrosse balls for ages 6 and up. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent replacement balls for the Coupe Hydro Lax. These mini Franklin soft rubber lax balls are the perfect replacement balls for the Coupe Hydro Lax set. They float in the water, are easy to find in ocean's waves or on the beach. They're spongy like a Nerf ball, so they're not for the doggos, who would tear them apart in seconds. I like that they come in a little net bag, making it easier to take down the shore, /travel with, /keep track of.